Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget Kick. Today we have with us the Zebronics Zeb-Juke 9700 Pro soundbar system, which is the first Indian Dolby Atmos soundbar. And in this video, we will do the unboxing and we'll see how it performs. So you get this big box in which you have the main soundbar box. Looking at the box, in the front you have the picture of the product along with the features such as Dolby Atmos, Dolby True HD, Dolby Digital Plus, and Dolby Surround. This sound system comes with the HDMI ARC port as well as optical port. And on the top you have some more features of the system such as Bluetooth 5.0, USB and aux support, 16.51cm subwoofer, and as mentioned earlier, you get one HDMI ARC port, two regular HDMI in port along with the optical port. At the back we have all the technical details about this audio system. Now let's open the box and show you the content. So the first thing we have here is the user manual, and then you have few cables such as the power cable, aux cable and the optical in cable. You also get these mounts along with these screws by which you can mount the soundbar on the wall. And then we have the remote controller, and you also get two AAA batteries in the package. Looking at the remote controller, the size is compact and the layout is very simple. And you have different modes here such as news, movies, 3D etc. And you can also adjust the treble and bass from here, which is really good. Now let's look at the subwoofer and the soundbar. Now talking first about the design and build quality, I must say that the quality of this product is very good. Though the soundbar is a bit big in size, but that is due to the internals. Now talking more about it, you have 6 speakers in this soundbar, 4 facing forward and 2 facing upward. Now with this setup, you will get surround sound experience. Now in terms of the technical details, the 4 speakers in the front comes with the 5.71cm driver, and dual speakers on the top has a 5.08cm driver. In terms of the overview, in the front you have the Zebronics branding on the left, and in the middle you have the LCD panel, and on the right side you have the Dolby Atmos branding. On the top you have the buttons by which you can switch between different modes and change volume. Now looking at the ports at the back, we have the power port, and then we have the SW port, which is the subwoofer port, and then we have the USB, optical and the aux port. You also have 3 HDMI port, 2 regular and 1 HDMI ARC. This soundbar also has sturdy rubber feet which will keep the soundbar at place when listening to music at high volume. Now looking at the subwoofer, the design is basic and you have the Zebronics branding on the top, and on the side you have the speaker radiator. The subwoofer in this system has the 16.51cm driver, and here at the back there are no ports, and this is the cable to attach it to the soundbar, and the length of the cable is sufficient. So guys, this is a 450 watt sound system. Soundbar has the 150 watt output and the subwoofer comes with a 300 watt output. And the best thing about this audio system, that you get the Dolby Atmos support. And believe me, the features you're getting in this soundbar, usually you will see them in a very expensive sound system. Now let's talk about the most important thing, which is the sound quality. I've been using this system with my TV for almost a week now, and here are my thoughts about it. First of all, the output is amazing, be it music, movies or even watching news on the TV. And I must say that even without the Dolby Atmos supported TV, this soundbar performed really good. I've been using a different soundbar previously with my TV and I was not really happy with the performance. But this soundbar and subwoofer performance is really amazing. In terms of the audio output, I have used this soundbar and connected with the HDMI ARC port in my other TV, and I could really feel the difference. Unfortunately, my dish TV doesn't have the HDMI ARC port, but according to me, the output over the HDMI ARC is amazing. I have played few games and watched movies which supported the Dolby Atmos sound, and I was really happy with the performance. Talking more about the Dolby Atmos sound, I have watched content on Netflix and the output is amazing.
So you're the meth killer. Do you have a name? I'll tell you mine. I'm Danica Harlan, governor of this colony. And those men you murdered, they were friends of mine.
Never heard of her.
You took out 3 ranking members of my cartel. You don't expect me to believe that was by chance.
There are few channels on your regular TV which comes with the Dolby Atmos support, and you will see this icon, and the overall experience with this soundbar is really good. Overall, the Zebronics Zeb-Juke 9700 Pro soundbar system is a very good product which offers amazing sound output. You're getting the best audio quality from this sound system, and with the Dolby Atmos support, we think that this sound system is a very good product. The design is good and we really like the build quality. We have tested this product for approximately 10 days now, and we didn't face any issue with the connectivity, and the audio output was pretty good. And guys, I'm really happy with this sound system, and I immediately replaced my existing TV soundbar with this. So if you're in the market for a good soundbar system for your TV, then I highly recommend you to check it out. And as usual, if you like it and want to buy one, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and overview of the Zebronics soundbar system. Let us know if you like it, and also do tell us your favorite feature of this soundbar in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.